Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the app model runtime error code on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer guys. Go to search menu and type WSRESET. This will basically we are going to reset the Microsoft Store guys. Here will have best match will be run command. Click on it. Hopefully this can resolve the problem guys. If not get resolved, next step go to settings. If you still having an issue like again when a specific application we are trying to repair it, let's do it guys. Go to settings, open it, go to apps, select install the apps. Here search whatever apps you have problem with. For example, I'm going my camera. Go to three dot icon, click on it and click advanced option. For example, I'm doing camera guys. You can also choose whatever application you have issue with. Scroll down, there will be option reset and repair option guys. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected. Click on it. If this app is still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If not get resolved from repair, go straight forward to reset guys. This will permanently delete the app data on the device including your preferences and sign-ins details. Hopefully this can resolve your problem guys. If you not get resolved, go to search menu and type SCMD. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you need to type guys sfc space slash scannow, sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.